I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the different parts of a complete lead generation system, specifically for manufacturing and construction companies. So on the left side here, you have the different advertising platforms that you would use to advertise your company. And there's various different targeting that you can do here. And then what you have next is these different methods of contact, how people would actually contact your business. And you can see that everything is flowing here to the right to this red diamond right here. So this is your one central source of truth. This is your CRM system where all of the leads should be stored when they come into your system. And that way your sales team can process them. There's nothing missing. They can go to that one central system. Whether you use Zoho CRM or HubSpot or another CRM, that's not as important. We recommend Zoho CRM. I would say 80 to 90% of our clients use Zoho CRM for various reasons. But basically everything is connected and it flows through to the CRM. So whether someone calls your company by phone, and then there's a trackable number on your website or on the different ad platforms, and then that goes through call tracking metrics, which goes to the CRM system. Or they would fill out a contact form on your website. And again, that automatically goes directly into the CRM system. And what we've seen work very well in the last couple of years is in-platform lead forms. So we basically recreate the same form that's on your website, and then this would be directly on meta ads, like there would be a Facebook lead form, or in LinkedIn ads, a LinkedIn lead form. And then again, that gets entered directly into your CRM system, no manual entry, everything is integrated. And then this fourth one here is there's an event page either on Facebook or on LinkedIn, and that usually is promoting a trade show. So for manufacturing and construction companies, the sales team often attends trade shows. So then we create these event campaigns that drive people to the trade show. We target a radius around the event, and then people go to the trade show as a result of seeing those ad campaigns, those ads, and then from there they get entered into the CRM system again. So of course, there will always be some junk leads if there's spammers and things like that. As much as we put security into everything, there will still be a percentage that are junk leads. So those just get put aside. But then the majority of them are good quality leads. And then this is where the handoff happens to your sales team. So they process the leads as normal, they qualify them, and then things just keep moving here, and they work with them over time, and eventually they convert them into sales. So something very important here on the right is every time, so if there's a new lead that comes into the system, it sends a signal, and those signals get sent back to the ad platforms. So there's a huge cycle that just keeps on circling here, and just the information works together, and marketing and sales are just kind of feeding off of each other to get better and better quality leads. So when the sales team just does what they naturally do, they call or email the leads and qualify them, that sends another signal. So now we know where all of those leads originated, and now we can look for where are the high quality leads coming from. And of course, usually within a few weeks or months, even if it's over a year later, if they get converted to a sale, we can still see exactly where they originally came from on the left here. And that's just sending signals back to the ad platforms. And then we can see with perfect clarity what's working and what's not. Let me know if you want to discuss this further. Thank you.